Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for U.S. Declassified Documents Online. This archive features resources ranging from State Department political analysis, White House confidential file materials, National Security Council policy statements, CIA intelligence memoranda, and more to provide unique insights into the inner workings of the U.S. government. Collection editors curated this collection through actively monitoring the release of formerly classified documents from key government organizations such as the Department of Justice and FBI, as well as presidential libraries. Researchers can tap into a behind-the-scenes perspective of American policymaking on sensitive issues of national security and foreign policy that shape the political, economic, and social conditions in the U.S. and throughout the world. The types of content one can find encompasses military reports, cabinet meeting minutes, diplomatic correspondence, intelligence studies, and policy papers. For example, we see here the FBI interviews of Saddam Hussein with documents on the search of his weapons of mass destruction. And now we're looking at documents highlighting conduct of the Vietnam War. And this is an example of White House correspondence discussing international policy around the AIDS epidemic of 1980s Africa. If your university has more than one Gale archive, you may be aware that all of our archives typically have a native platform, as well as the ability to cross-search in Gale primary sources. We'll start with an example on the native platform. Let's go with the keyword Iran hostage. From the search results page, you can easily assess if a document is potentially relevant by using the keyword preview option, which shows a snapshot of where your keyword appears. If more specification is needed, you can add a number of limiter options on the right-hand side. Moving into the article level, you can interact with the document in the viewfinder, enlarging or shrinking the image, and also adjusting the coloring. The toolbar options give you the ability to cite, send, or save by downloading, printing, or creating a static link. For more detailed research, there is also the advanced search option. This gives you the ability to use Boolean operators, complete with search tips if you're not familiar with how to do that. And you can focus on more specific limiter types, such as by archive, publication date, document type, classification level, sanitization, completeness, and source library. Returning to the search results page, you can broaden your search by switching to Gale primary sources. This allows you to cross-search your original keyword with any other Gale archives your university may have, and browse other relevant resources using the same set of platform tools. This includes our study tools, such as the Topic Finder, which takes your keyword and shows visually how it relates to other subjects, and then gives you a short list of relevant articles you can dive into. Or you can run the term frequency tool, which sets keywords against a date line. This allows you to see patterns or highlight prominent time periods, and then dive into the articles from that year. This has been a tutorial for the U.S. Declassified Documents Online archive. Thanks for watching.